One rainy evening, a taxi driver found something on the back seat. It was a wallet full of money. Once there was a taxi driver named Rafik. He worked in a busy city. Every day, he drove passengers from one place to another. Rafik was not rich. He earned just enough to buy food for his family. One evening, he stopped his taxi near the train station. A man got inside. The man looked tired and worried. He gave Rafik an address, and Rafik drove quickly through the traffic. When they arrived, the man paid the fare and rushed away. Rafik waved goodbye and started to drive again. But then, he saw something on the back seat. It was a wallet. Rafik opened it. Inside were credit cards, an ID card, and a large amount of cash. His heart beat fast. He thought, this money could help my family. I could pay my bills. I could buy new clothes for my children. For a moment, he felt tempted to keep it. But then he remembered his father's words. Rafik, honesty is the greatest treasure. Money comes and goes, but character stays forever. Rafik took a deep breath. He decided to return the wallet. He parked his taxi and checked the ID card inside. It showed the man's name and address. Rafik drove straight there. When he arrived, he rang the bell. The same man opened the door. He looked surprised. "Sir," Rafik said politely, "you left your wallet in my taxi." The man's eyes filled with relief. He opened the wallet, checked the money, and smiled. "Thank you," the man said. "I thought I lost everything. You are an honest man." The man gave Rafik a reward, but more than the money, Rafik felt proud. That night, he told his children the story. They listened carefully, and one of them said, "Papa, you are our hero." Rafik smiled. He knew he had done the right thing. Honesty brings peace and respect. Comment one new English word you learned today. Subscribe for more English stories every week.